Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful brownish red color pallu with jari lines, same color blouse piece with zari borders. Zari is in half white, complete zari is in white and red concept. Beautifully different designs block printed, both in borders as well as in the body. Very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have an orange and grey color pallu with jari lines and beautiful block prints in grey. Very different one with a rusty orange color blouse piece. The saree is in beautiful and contrast color for the pallu and blouse. It is a half white, a creamy half white color with very different prints. Two designs are given here, both mango as well as peacock. Very different prints, and we also have border designs printed in both ends. The complete printing is done in grey and the borders are in orange. Very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful maroon and choco brown color mixed pallu and choco brown color blouse piece. The saree is in maroon, very elegant contrast looking, different pattern the saree. The pallu extends and gives a beautiful blue look as well. You can see the base, a maroon color saree with beautiful printing design in half white. The blue borders are also given in both sides of the saree with different prints, one side stripes and one side floral pattern with a beautiful choco brown color borders in both sides of the saree. Very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful grey saree, a very different shade of grey, very beautifully done pallu, same color, printed in half white, and we have jari lines and the same color blouse piece with one side printing. Both sides we have jari border on the saree, beautiful gold jari border. The saree completely is in grey with white prints, closely printed design, and dark grey is also used in the background. A very small leaf design is printed all over. Elegant pattern, excellently done using block prints, and it is completely with silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu. Complete saree is in black and white one. Black pallu and white printing on it with jari lines, and same black, full black blouse piece. Beautiful jari borders. The saree have a very different pattern. Horizontal stripes pattern, completely on half white dull finish base, and completely black is used for printing. We also have a zigzag lines pattern done here and there. Very beautiful one with the base of the jari in black borders. Very elegant one for the black lovers with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful grey and blue pallu with block prints in half white color and light blue color, a copper sulphate blue pallu blouse piece with one side green borders. The saree is in beautiful combo here, very different. It's been done. The green portion is starting of the saree, it increases and it goes almost to a half and half portion in the saree, and the blue portion decreases. The block printed portion is between the both. Very different concept saree with block printed design, again rangoli pattern printed using half white color here and there. A very elegant one, colorful with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful black and maroon color pallu with jari lines and block printed design using black and white. Excellent one with maroon blouse piece, one side black borders. The saree is in beautiful combo, half white in the middle with maroon printings, and we have a beautiful diamond pattern done using half white on the black base, and maroon is given in both sides as well. And zari borders are in black, ultimate color with beautiful printing with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful half white color saree with mild yellow shade blouse piece. It's almost mustard yellow color, very pastel shade, beautiful color with grey printings in the pallu and jari lines. And here also we have the body also is half white, creamy half white it is, with the mustard prints in the top and bottom. Also we have grey prints. Very beautifully it's been printed in the body. Very different design in a classy saree with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue and pink pallu with block printed design on white base in grey color. And we have dark violetish magenta mixed color blouse piece. The saree is in creamy half white color, beautiful one, with the printing completely on mango pot, done in grey color base. Very beautiful one with blue borders in both sides. Very elegantly done one with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful white and pink color in the pallu, and we have block prints in orange and black as well. And we have a very contrast black blouse piece with pink borders in one side. Beautiful saree, very different and contrast concept in the pallu and blouse piece. And we have a creamy half white color base of the saree with prints in orange as well as pink. And we have a very different printing design in both side borders that is done in black and orange. Very beautiful one. The borders, jari borders are on black base. Excellent and classy looking saree. New design with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a multi-color pallu. Very beautifully, vertically the colors are given with jari lines, and we have a green blouse piece here, a forest green color. Very different, beautiful color. The combination is completely contrast. Maroon color body in the top. First half is completely plain maroon, and the lower half is fully printed design. Very elegant doll pattern printed using grey color, and multicolors is given in the lower bottom. Very elegant combination. Different saree with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark maroonish choco brown color saree with same color pallu with jari lines, and the same color is given for the blouse piece also. Completely in single color. Only the printing is there in the saree, and completely the saree have horizontal stripes as well as zigzag lines pattern printed using half white color. A very different saree, very beautifully it's been done. Exclusive collection with authentic silk.